हेल्थवे ह्या सगळ्या सोय आशिल्ल्या इस्पितळाचें आयतारा उक्तावण जालें. उक्तावण सुवाळ्याक माचयेर आमदार प्रतापसिंग राणे, भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे, जीएसआयडीसीचो अध्यक्ष सुभाष शिरोडकार आनी हेर आसले. सरकारान असल्या उद्देगाक तेंको दिवपाची गरज आसा. तशेंच भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन आपल्या सहकाऱ्यांक तेंको दिवपा खातीर सांगचें असो सल्लो दिला.
People who will come and may not be able to pay. If the population of the states covered with this one small card of health insurance, it will be wonderful. And this is something we need to popularize, health insurance. I'm very happy this morning we present here. Unfortunately, my colleague in the assembly and the chief minister himself is absent. I wish he was present here today, so that some of the suggestions we could make could be taken by the health minister and the finance minister who is the chief minister. Well, let me congratulate all the doctors. President here, Dr. Gaonkar, who has taken the lead to set up such a beautiful institution. And let him yet progress into many super specialties, so that this will be one of the nucleus of various types of medicines. Day by day, the medical facility is progressing very fast. There is nuclear medicine, there are so many other type fields. I'm sure over a period of time, Goa, which has better facilities, Goa will be a hub for all the neighboring areas and also in this little part of our country to be one of the leading health facilities in India. With these few words, let me once again congratulate the doctors. And I would say, my colleague in the assembly, and yet my son, Vishwali, is present here with the health minister, that you should tell your colleagues to go all the way to support such institutions. This is what is required today. Because if we want to give medical facilities at affordable rates, I think government has to step in. Government has to step in so that any common person should be able to avail these facilities that have been made to the enterprising doctors, 50 odd of them, who have set up this institute.
ह्या इस्पितळाचो गोंयकारांक खूब फायदो जातलो. तशेंच खाजगी इस्पितळांची सरकाराक गरज आसा अशें उक्तावण सुवाळे वेळार भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे उलयलो.
What I felt was healthcare and what healthcare needs to be done, how capacity building needs to be done, and how there should be an integrated model between the healthcare and the private sector. The government cannot work by itself. The government needs the private sector hand in hand to take various facilities forward. It is very important, and one has to be very transparent. Many times I would like all the members of the media who are present, they are prominent people, members present here, that I strongly believe and I strongly advocate that even if something needs to be done, something needs to be relooked and reworked, it is important that we have the private sector along with us. Only then we will be able to further strengthen the Goa Medical College and ensure that we have actually the true healthcare in the state of Goa. Various areas are missing today. In order to say that we are an extremely top of the line healthcare state, we are still missing the boat as far as medical tourism is concerned. We are still not in a position to attract countries and children, people from other countries to coming into the state of Goa to get operated. There are other states that are already achieving this. I have spent a whole day with Dr. Rajendra Desai in my earlier term at Dr. Devi Shetty's hospital, where we found children from different parts of the world being operated in that hospital. I strongly believe that we need to work in a very united manner. And it is very important that on this occasion, I would like to make a commitment is that we are here to work together. I don't want any doctor to feel at any point of time that the government is going to overstep into their shoes or government is going to kind of overhead, because government has the funds to put into different areas. But then we need to see how and what type of model will coexist as far as Goa is concerned. There are many things that need to be done. Government also cannot achieve everything that is mentioned in order to achieve that type of parameters of healthcare, but we are doing our best. And I am confident that all the people who have got together to form Healthway, all prominent Goan doctors who are here together to take forward this dream, I am sure with the different types of schemes the Chief Minister has put in place, and also I would like to be, I am happy to announce, I think there was already preliminary discussion where we are, our Dr. Shirish Molkar and all are here present from the cardiology, that we are already in a process of starting a STEMI program, and where we said that we need to take bold decisions. We need to take decisions where we directly take private players along with us in order to achieve our objectives in seeing that proper healthcare, and we are able to exploit it to the people and we are able to save lives. STEMI program, Goa is going to be the first state where already we have asked Dr. Guru Prasad Naik, who is heading the cardiology, to present a paper immediately that this STEMI program will be one of its first kind in the country, where we are going to thrombolize patients in the periphery, where more than 30-40 doctors have been already trained, using the emergency rooms, using the 108 facilities, using the doctors from the DHS. We will be able to thrombolize patients, increase the window period, bring them to the closest center of intervention, where we want to partner with Healthway. We want to partner with Healthway, and in the south we want to partner with another hospital so that we can work together as a team. There are many times we need additional capacity building, and in that capacity building we are seriously considering how we can work with Healthway. Similarly, we can work with other private hospitals so that this will help you in terms of your growth also, and it will help and our goal of saving lives and our mission, which has always been saving lives of the people of the state of Goa. This is how we want to move forward.